In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Black Ops 2 Xbox Live. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a very common error that occurs when you are trying to play Xbox Live games such as Black Ops 2 on new-gen consoles. So as you can see, this is the most common error in Black Ops 2. The current profile is not allowed to play on Xbox Live. I'm going to showcase a simple way to fix this issue on any console, any Xbox console, and if you are having this issue or any other one, you are welcome to follow along to fix them. So first, press Start plus Select on your controller. What this is going to do is open the classic Xbox 360 menu, also known as the Xbox Guide. You might remember this from, like I said, the old 360 console. In this classic menu, what you have to do is go over to Manage, Storage, and Profiles. When you find the currently assigned Xbox Live profile that you have to delete your profile but keep the data. So you will see a menu similar to this, where you have the option to delete your profile only or delete profile and items. Go here and delete your profile only. Now, once you are done deleting your profile, you will be able to add a new profile from the same window. So after you go to Manage Storage, Profiles, and delete this one, just re-add your profile and log back into Xbox Live. Once you are done reassigning the profile that you are using, you will be able to try loading up Black Ops 2 again, and this time, after reconnecting to the Xbox Live servers, you should be allowed in. Because the game is old and you have to go through this process of connecting to the Xbox Live profile in the classic menu, sometimes the connection isn't established properly or the servers face some issues. So by doing a fresh login, as if it were the first time you were accessing Black Ops 2, you will be able to alleviate this issue and connect properly to the COD BO2 servers. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Black Ops 2 Xbox Live. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.